Kanha is probably the most beautiful national park.
Every scenery was as if, it seemed like someone had painted, and it was like very vivid and beautiful.
Yeah, Shashank, the entire plan came through Facebook primarily. So, what happened was we saw a lot of your videos on Facebook. Your videos attracted, were very fascinating and very down to earth.
I was already looking for a trip to the jungle. So by chance I got to know Shashank on through Instagram. So I really wanted to quickly wanted to grab this opportunity to be a part of this journey.
It was extremely beautiful. We've done 4 safaris till now within Kanha in different zones, and each one safari every day threw a new notice. The skies were beautiful, the jungle was expansive, the landscapes were phenomenal, the animals added to the charm, and the drive was absolutely fabulous.
Kanha is beautiful, landscape is amazing. I have been to Ranthambore also last month, but if I would compare, the Kanha has got a very beautiful landscape with lush green all over, and jungle is beautiful. The smell, the aroma inside the jungle is something. It will spellbound you for sure.
Saw hare in the night. And different deer types like spotted deer, barking deer. Then we saw jackal.
I think my encounter with the sloth bear was very dramatic because I had been thinking about the sloth bear. In fact, I told Shashank, Birla, I want to see a sloth bear. And it's probably the closest encounter I believe anybody can have with a sloth bear.
We were very lucky to have the sloth bear giving us a very impressive, sighting. In the 4th safari, it just came to give us a virtual handshake. It was as close as it could be.
Thankfully, we could sight a tiger. This was a very beautiful experience. We could see a tiger just coming in front of us, right beside our jeep, giving that look to us, and he just walked away. So felt so proud.
One of the things which Shashank clearly told us was it would be difficult to see the tiger. So the expectations were played down, but seeing the tiger was great. We were among all the combination of Shashank, the driver and the guide. We reached the tiger at the right spot at the right time.
I think overall very professional, and it was not like they were trying to show us something. They were equally involved and equally excited. So that really added to the overall experience, and generally very friendly and very communicative, and kept discussing certain things.
They were very, very polite, always smiling, and kept the temperatures on the trip at an even keel. They were never hassled, never worried, never tense. We never saw them all that. And they had an idea of what to see, what not to see, when to see, where to see. And really, they added to the experience altogether.
So resort which we are staying is Mowgli Resort. It's again a very beautiful resort. It seems that we are already inside the jungle. The room is unexpectedly huge and it's very nicely well maintained. The food is amazing. I would definitely recommend all my friends back home to visit this place. And I loved it. I loved staying back here. Yeah, sure.
Mowgli Resorts, I think one important plus point was it's really close to the gates, so travel time is really that way, less. And overall, my favorite place is the dining area. So it's been decorated really well with different paintings of wild animals, and the food was awesome here. Very homely as well as good variety here. The staff is really good, very friendly, and the rooms are very comfortable. Overall, a really good experience here at Mowgli.
This is for you, Shashank. See, when a group member was hesitant to come for the fourth safari, you could have just left it like that, but you didn't do it. You just brought him the rather you told him the importance of making it make him come for the safari. You didn't want the member to miss out on any very important sighting.
This is actually my second trip with Wilderlust. First was Ranthambore and now Kanha, both with Shashank Birla. As expected, yes, it was amazing, and his knowledge and his the ease with which he could make us all feel at home. So these two things contribute to a great extent to why I decided Kanha, because I was very comfortable. There's a good equation he has with the people he takes.
My experience with Shashank on this trip, as I told you, it was amazing. I'm looking forward for many, many, many more trips. I want to visit all the safaris only with Shashank Birla. That's all I can say. This much of love from me to him and to his company. The whole team works very good. From the day one, I wanted to do the booking till the time I was traveling. Everything was very well explained to me, I would say. I have never faced any problem right from the booking. And when I reached the airport, right from the pickup, and everything is scheduled very well, on time, bang on time, with no problems at all.
That was an amazing safari, guys. If you would like to in fact join us on our safari tours and expeditions, please do connect with us on the platforms mentioned below. And if you'd like to know more on India's wildlife and our protected areas, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.